Reviving the Fallen, a journey of restoration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an inspiring phrase that you might have come across in literature, speeches, or even in everyday conversation. Revive the fallen. This powerful expression holds a lot of depth, and understanding it can add a rich layer of meaning to your English comprehension. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover what it truly means to revive the fallen. The phrase, revive the fallen, is made up of two key parts, revive and the fallen. To revive means to bring back to life, restore, or give new strength and energy. The fallen refers to those who have failed, been defeated, or literally fallen down, either in a physical, moral, or metaphorical sense. When put together, revive the fallen speaks to the act of helping those who have faced failure or defeat to stand back up, to recover, and to regain their former strength or position. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, each bringing its own shade of meaning. In literature and speeches, revive the fallen often carries a heroic or motivational tone. It's used to inspire action and resilience, encouraging individuals or communities to support those who have stumbled or suffered setbacks. In everyday life, in everyday conversations, the phrase might be used more figuratively. For example, helping a friend revive from a personal fall, such as a breakup or job loss. It's about offering support and encouragement to bounce back. In professional settings, in professional or educational contexts, revive the fallen can refer to helping colleagues or students recover from failures or mistakes, fostering an environment of growth and learning from setbacks. Understanding the context in which revive the fallen is used is crucial. The meaning can shift slightly depending on whether the focus is on emotional support, physical help, or moral guidance. Recognizing the situation can help you grasp the full depth of the phrase and respond appropriately. Revive the fallen is more than just a phrase. It's a call to action, a beacon of hope, and a reminder of the strength of human compassion and resilience. Whether you encounter it in a book, hear it in a speech, or use it in your daily life, remember its powerful message of support and recovery. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Stay curious and keep learning. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. See you in the next video.